at a One World Day, which is a journey around the world through cultural talks and artistic workshops. Each workshop centres around a cultural and artistic element from that country. So children are learning African drumming, Polish paper crafts, Polish dance, Rangoli art from India, and getting a cultural talk from Pakistan.
I enjoyed experiencing all the different cultures and all the different arts from different countries.
Kids should know more about different countries so they know more about it and to understand it more.
Come across cultures that they probably never have seen before, and they're getting to meet each other pupils from a different background.
It's so everyone can learn different cultures and the countries and what happens there. I think everything is very new, but it's really good to learn it. It was fun just to dance and listen to the music.
I think it's very important that the children should be learning about each other's cultures in a safe environment, and school is the safest environment anybody can go into.
The feedback's been brilliant from the young people. That most of them have never experienced a different culture or met anybody from the countries that we're representing here today. So the feedback's been brilliant and they're all really engaged and involved in all the activities.
Intercultural learning for children of this age is really important because we live in a multicultural society now, and it's great for them to see different cultures all in one day and meet people from all sorts of different backgrounds.